A powerful winter storm lashed Southern California on Wednesday, bringing heavy rain, gusty winds, flash floods, and mudslides. Evacuation warnings were issued for areas scorched by wildfires, and some water rescues were conducted. San Bernardino County firefighters rescued people trapped in their cars due to mud and debris flows. A family was stranded in Wrightwood but received help from neighbors. The storm caused road closures, including part of Interstate 5, and power outages affected over 125,000 people. A Sacramento Sheriff Deputy died in a weather-related crash. A state of emergency was declared in 6 counties, with emergency resources deployed. The storm, fueled by atmospheric rivers, is expected to continue, with another system forecast for Christmas Day.